Floods and heavy rains in Muscat, the capital of the Sultanate of Oman, caused the inundation of many residential areas. And the media in the Sultanate of Oman reported today, Tuesday, that some villages in the city of Muscat were flooded with water as a result of the impact of the storm, Green of Determination. The Oman police closed a number of roads in the city of Muscat to ensure the safety of people during the heavy rain, and traffic was also cut off on the road opposite the ministry's directorate towards Muscat. The police asked motorists to be careful, turn on the car's lights and wait until visibility becomes clear, given the low level of horizontal visibility caused by heavy rain, according to Russia Today. The Civil Defense in the Sultanate of Oman also announced that the authorities' teams in the Civil Defense and Ambulance Department in the Governorate of Muscat managed to evacuate 35 people in the Al-Ghubra area in the Wilayat of Baushar as a result of the high level of rainwater, and transported them to safe places, all of whom are in good health.